Question. Prove by induction. N factorial is larger than 2 to the power of n for all n is larger than or equal to 4. Let's answer this question. So for n equals 4, left hand side equals 4 factorial equals 4 multiplied 3 multiplied 2 equals 24. And right hand side equals 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. So left hand side is larger than right hand side. So the inequality holds for n equals 4. Now assume that it holds for n equals k. Here k is larger than or equal to 4. So we have k factorial is larger than 2 to the power of k. Here k is larger than or equal to 4. Then for n equals k plus 1, the left hand side equals k plus 1 factorial, and right hand side equals 2 to the power of k plus 1. Now left hand side minus right hand side equals k plus 1 factorial minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. If we can prove that this one is larger than 0, then left hand side minus right hand side is larger than 0. Then left hand side is larger than right hand side. So this one equals k plus 1 multiply k factorial minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. And this is larger than k plus 1 multiply 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. Why this one is larger than this one? Because look at here. K factorial is larger than 2 to the power of k. Here we use 2 to the power of k to replace k factorial. So the left hand side is larger than the right hand side. Then let's check k plus 1 multiply 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of k plus 1. This equals k plus 1 multiply 2 to the power of k minus 2 multiply 2 to the power of k. Then this equals k minus 1 multiply 2 to the power of k. Because k is larger than or equal to 4, then k minus 1 is larger than 0. Then k minus 1 multiply 2 to the power of k is larger than 0. So this is larger than 0. Now we know left hand side minus right hand side is larger than 0. Left hand side minus right hand side is larger than 0. Here. Then left hand side is larger than right hand side. The inequality holds for n equals k plus 1. Then the conclusion, the inequality holds for n equals 4, and if it holds for n equals k, here k is larger than or equal to 4, then it also holds for n equals k plus 1. Therefore, n factorial is larger than 2 to the power of n for all integers. N is larger than or equal to 4 by the principle of mathematical induction.